Welcome to Chris Parkin Shooting Sports. Today I'm out with a new version of the Ruger 1022, now with a Picatinny rail integrated into the receiver and a shorter fluted heavy barrel for 2-2 rimfire. Let's see how it performs on paper and on steel at longer distance. These groups on paper are shot at 50 metres. Given the fact these are 2-2 rimfire bullet impacts, it's fairly easy to gauge the size of groups the rifle's capable of at the distance. The magazine is a 10-round rotary unit and is compatible with all Ruger's large capacity magazines to fit in the same action. Hornady's Varmint Express ammunition is rated at 1070 feet per second. Through the Ruger, it was averaging 1037 feet per second. The extended lever on the front of the trigger guard makes dropping the magazine far simpler now. It's ambidextrous, as is the crossbolt safety catch. The barrel is 16 inches or 405 millimeters. Barrel diameter is 23.4 millimeters or 0.924 inches. The cheek piece adjusts approximately 35 millimeters front and back and about 25 millimeters vertically. Overall length is 915 millimeters or 36 inches. Length of pull is 13 3/4 or 350 millimeters. Overall weight is 2.96 kilograms or 6.52 pounds. The Custom features an adjustable cheek piece, so you can move backwards and forwards and up and down. A muzzle brake is supplied, tipping the 1/2 inch threaded barrel. Whether you're going to use this or not, I'm not sure. I used a moderator for my preferences. This 1022 is a very enjoyable rifle to shoot. I've always been quite a 1022 fan, but appreciated it. It needed modernising to some extent. The addition of a muzzle brake is nice for those who want to use it, but I used a moderator instead. I like the heavy fluted barrel, and the gun was very stable and accurate from either a bipod or handheld positions. Trigger performance was good and the action was fast cycling, with the new larger bolt handle much quicker to access. I like the new magazine release, which really speeds up fast changeovers. Would I buy one as a hunting rifle? I don't say I wouldn't hunt with it, but I wouldn't buy it predominantly as a hunting rifle. I think it's still more of a target and fun sporting rifle. Fast fire action from the semi-auto action can be great fun on targets and steel. And the heavy barrel doesn't seem to have any appreciable loss of accuracy. But of course a standard bolt action rifle will always bear pressure in the receiver a little more consistently than this standard blowback action, which of course uses some of the gas pressure to actually cycle the bolt. This steel gongs at 100 metres. I left the wind noise on the video because it's fairly easy to gauge. It was a very windy day. Trigger pull is 1 pound 14 ounces or 872 grams. All this footage is filmed on a Triggercam 2.1 through the scope itself. This steel deer is 150 metres. As well as a Picatinny rail on the action for scope mounting, there's a larger cocking handle now, which makes access much easier. The barrel shows 4 320mm long flutes. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Please click the notification bell so you can see my weekly uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.